Victorians used the power of steam and a new method of converting iron into steel to make bigger bridges, ships, and textiles in a quicker, more effective way. They used machines to do the jobs that people would normally do. Instead, workers now operated the machines. Across the country, factories and factory towns were built to produce all sorts of machines, medicines, and materials. This was called the Industrial Revolution. Cities like Leeds, Belfast, Manchester and Nottingham had cotton and woolen mills, where they made thread used for clothing and carpets. Manchester was the very first industrial city. Cotton mills were enormous, and in the 1850s they created over 1 million jobs for people. Cotton was one of the most valuable materials that the Victorians used to trade with other countries. In Glasgow, Newcastle, Sheffield, Sunderland, Belfast and Cardiff, they made steel for building ships and bridges. Cities like Sunderland used steam power to improve coal mining. In Birmingham, they made automotive vehicles. In London, there were many factories that made clothing, developed medicines, and worked on engineering. Skilled workers found it difficult. Their jobs were now being completed by machines. Because of this, they got paid less. The Industrial Revolution created many jobs and meant that Britain changed from a farming nation to an industrial nation. This was good and bad. The Industrial Revolution brought Britain wealth and trade with other countries. But it also led to lots of pollution, poor working conditions, and overcrowding in cities as people from the countryside came to find jobs. The smoke from the factories was so bad in some places that it coated the houses with a black grime, which is why towns in Wolverhampton inherited their name, the Black Country. Working in factories was not very pleasant and very dangerous. Political activists like William Lovett, who helped to build houses for factory workers, and William Cuffay, the son of a black slave, leader of the London Chartists, fought for the right of the factory workers. They helped to contribute towards improving working conditions, wages, housing, and reducing working hours.